back. I mean, mobile revolution, it's about this. And I just want to give you some facts about what is happening. So, presentation, yes, should be here. On stage, the presentation, so, yes. So, everything is now about mobile. I mean, you can see it. I mean, it's sensor, mobile devices, data, all this will change your life. But there's a big challenge for the industry as long as the mobile is disrupting everything, there's still some areas where we don't have yet made the transition, including the shift from mobile to web in terms of advertising revenues. It's going quickly. When you look at where we are today, I mean, you just have to have in mind that 40 years ago, we had nothing. Microprocessors were just invented. Crystal liquid was just invented. And now, I mean, we have a pace of innovation that is every year quicker. The smartphone is getting there. We had this year more smartphone and tablets sold than PC. 75% of the newly acquired devices were smartphones in 2013. And you will have, I mean, even more on that, I mean, coming soon, as today, if you look at just at the mobile internet traffic, it's already 15% globally of the traffic, and it will go till 60%. And in some countries, I mean, you have only mobile. Asia, obviously, but also Africa. And so the revolution is really coming from mobile. The advertising revenues are there, but not at the pace they should be, I mean, for mobile. I mean, if you look at the global advertising spend, I mean, it's a 30 billion advertising market today in Europe, but out of which a very small proportion is still mobile. I mean, it's growing fast, I mean, but not yet as it should be. Or the issue is that it's only captured by some very big players. Maybe video will help to have this transformation of advertising money into mobile advertising money, as the video format are very useful and very adapted to mobile devices and smartphones. If you look today at the growth of mobile video on smartphone, I mean, it has been a 162% growth in only 1 year, compared to 5% just for the PC side for video. So, as I said, mobile advertising is already exploding in some area. I mean, Asia, Pacific, and America, but we're still lagging in Europe. And what is worrying for all of us is that this money is captured by 2 or 3 players, Google, Facebook, Twitter, obviously, who has redone all their strategy around mobile devices. And so Facebook is taking on, as Facebook just 1.5 years ago decided to rebuild everything around its mobile strategy. So there's an issue for the local media, obviously. This will go even quicker with the development of 4G. So 4G, I mean, is clearly accelerating. I mean, it's launched in many countries. We have, with 4G, I mean, enormous opportunity of services. I mean, video, obviously, with YouTube, Dailymotion, music with Spotify, with Deezer, Netflix. So the 4G will give even more possibility to have mobile sharing. This will have impact also on the TV, and the connected TV, I mean, the TV is just a screen with a social approach. So mobile, if you want to make the mobile revolution, you need to have a bit of video, a bit of social, and a bit of adaptability of your platform. It's becoming more and more tech. When I look at this picture, I just have an headache. I mean, how could advertiser, how could publisher find their way out of this? So many companies, so many players in the world. I mean, it's hard to, and it's so technological now that if you don't have your engineer degree, I mean, you can't find your way. I mean, and what is also very difficult for most of the people is that there's a new company almost every day. Programmatic is there. 30% of the sales already in the UK and in US. It means that for ad sales, for local media, what do you do out of your local people, of your salespeople? So we had 10 years ago the industry of the portable. In the 90s, then it was the buzzword was digital, then it was connected, then it was mobile. Now it's smart. And I'm pretty sure that we're still at the beginning of this revolution, as we have to make the transition from a purely PC-based world with mobile and with a lot of new companies soaring and taking the usages in front of the old traditional PC company. I mean, if you look at many services, I mean, they're redesigned on mobile. But then the wearables revolution is coming there. We will have 50 billion connected devices by 2020. 50 billion. How many of you have already more than 4 connected devices? Okay. So 4 connected devices today. And those connected devices will have all sensors. It means that everywhere we will have sensor in the devices. And the mobile being the hub for this sensor. Because without the mobile interface, you can't access to all those very nice services that you have in sensor. Your self-quantified wings, all your automation topic. So the Internet of Things is the new digital revolution, and it's linked with mobile. It means that we will have an acceleration again of all those devices, with mobile at the core and the communication hub for that. It's about wellness, it's about smart clothing, it's about motion on brain with the new interface, and ultimately my brain will be the interface for the devices. I mean, I just want to think, and then I can send an SMS or an email. The devices are on your wings, I mean, with all the watches on the eyes. So there's a lot of opportunity, I mean, in terms of creation of companies out of that. Smart cities, all what is around the energy. So 50 billion devices, divided per 3 billion people on Earth, it means that we will have an average of 70 devices going forward per connected people. And this will create an enormous data flow. And all what we have to do now as an industry is to make sure that we can have access to data, and that we can make sure that we have an equal treatment of people accessing to bandwidth. I mean, it's the map of the Facebook. I mean, you see some areas of the world are not yet very well connected. So data will drive new usages. Internet of Things will develop new added services. And the Internet of Things and data will enable you to understand your user and to have more knowledge. So this is the word. Sorry for that. I mean, this is not Greece, it's Turkey. So adapt. This is my message, the same I was giving yesterday, is that if you don't adapt, and if you don't adapt to the mobile revolution, I mean, a lot of the local countries will have not sustainable digital economy. So the PC has been the PC has disrupted the media and the advertising industry, but the mobile is disrupting all our life, creating new opportunity and new services for every type of single activity in your day-to-day life.